this one, the verb inflection continually. So many verbs can show a continuing action by adding a circular movement. Okay. So for this one, we have our examples. So just as we did the lexicalized one for like fix, we have bus. And it's just B-U-S, just bus. I like that one. So, the bus, not come. I stand, you're going to move it into circular motion, so standing, stood, and I stood longer. So you just want to make it up like that, like you're standing, and go in a circle. Continually. Okay, so bus, not come. And then I worked without stopping all day and didn't realize it was 6 o'clock. So we have this like all day. I work. And for this one, instead of just going straight down for work, because it's work continually, it'll go in a circle like this. Work, and work. Okay, work continually. And I didn't expect the time to be 6 o'clock. So try that again. So all day I work continually. And then not expect times 6.
Tap it with this finger.
Yeah, you tap it with your index finger. Okay. And then I kept waiting, but he never showed up. So he show up. So it's just like that. Show up. No. So I wait. So this is the same wait. And then waited. Okay. So he showed up then.